Back on this 1986 Rolls-Royce Silver Spar, and I'm going to believe that this is, and it has 8,000 miles. So just because it has 8,000 miles doesn't mean this could be their original compressor, because when somebody lets them sit and they burn out a compressor, somebody throws on another compressor there, even on a low mileage vehicle. But in this case, this is what catches me right there. You see this sticker? This was not a supplied factory sticker from Harrison. This would be from Rolls-Royce putting, I'm thinking, because I haven't seen this sticker before, but it actually has the fill charge in kilograms and ounces on here already. God, I'm glad they have that, because usually many of the stickers, even though they're brand new, sometimes they're missing, sometimes it won't be an owner's manual. And I love this. This is one thing I liked about Rolls-Royce, and this was one of the smartest things they did. Like in aviation, when you work on high-end race cars or in aviation, you have the wire tie, and you have like the little lead wraps press on here. Brake fluid, for you young guys who don't know, do not use brake fluid. See owner's handbook. I've had to flush and rebuild many of these systems, and my dad, when they go to a shop who doesn't know any better, they pop the cap and top off with brake fluid. This brake system doesn't use brake fluid. This is mineral oil. It was a green mineral oil. It was colored green, but it's mineral oil, not brake fluid. So the rubber components in the wheel cylinders and throughout the whole system and the master and everything that were designed for mineral oil, and they swell really bad. Just like if somebody put automotive engine oil inside a master cylinder and it swells all the seals throughout the system, the exact same thing. And what are you doing? Got a liability problem there, and you get sticky cylinders and leaky, so you replace everything. And can you imagine the price of this if this car was taken to Jiffy Lube and the young kid in there goes, oh, and if the sticker wasn't there, oh, brake fluid, no problem, snip, open, pours in brake fluid, let me top it off. Yeah, seen that. Many nightmares of poor customers who've had that happen. One of the first things my dad taught me on mineral oil things, he says, before we even start, as he was teaching me brakes, always look at Rolls-Royce for mineral oil. And here's another thing. Okay, so I pulled out the valve cores. Let's get a look at them there. See where one is white, one is black? This is the old original style, the black one with the black gasket. Now if we could get it to focus right there. You see that black gasket? That's the original one. You see that other one nice and clean? That's the brand new one. Someone changed that. That was changed on the low side right here. The high side are usually the leakers and the ones that go first. That one they didn't change. When you're doing these old R12 systems, don't try to upsell and say, hey, you need a leaky seal replaced, especially when the system is empty. You always take them out and replace them with brand new ones just right away. It's just something you do. You don't upsell this item. You just do it. This is part of your job. This is a common wear item that always leaks and can cause you problems. So you just take them out. You're going to take them out anyway, because you're going to put in your valve core removers for fast vacuum and recharge and everything like that, your nitrogen test, your purge, all that kind of stuff. They're going to be out anyway. It's already built into the cost of your job, and if it isn't, you got to rethink the way you're doing things. I know some of you guys make more money off of selling snake oil and upselling. Everything's about upselling and pushing products. Don't be one of those kind of guys. That's the used shady car salesman kind of tactics. Just do it right from the get-go, end all headaches, and just change them. Such a little nitpicky job, and there's guys who don't change them, or they try to upsell that as a job. Oh, let's make more money and sell a little item like that for $15 or something like that. No, you don't do that shit. I know some guys do, but no, don't do that to your customers. All right, guys, I'll see you later. We'll get back on this one. I'm pulling the vacuum. I'm approaching the 500 micron mark. I'm going off to another job, and we'll be back on this.